Let's talk about one of Rome's unsung heroes, the powerful molecular seal that held its plumbing together.
You've seen the aqueducts, right? But getting water to the city was, well, only half the problem.
So the real question is, how'd they get high-pressure water into literally thousands of homes?
The answer? It's all in one word. Plumbum. Yep, that's exactly where we get plumbing from.
And get this, their solder was basically modern stuff, a simple, strong mix of lead and tin.
The process sounds simple. Hammer lead flat, roll it up, and then seal that seam perfectly tight.
And that one technique, it became the very foundation of modern urban water systems. No joke.
Now, just to give you an idea of the scale, we're talking over 500 miles of aqueducts, which means they needed millions of these joints, and every single one was soldered by hand.
And this made something incredible possible. The first ever high-pressure indoor plumbing in history.
Yeah, this wasn't just a slow trickle. These pipes handled a seriously powerful high-pressure flow.
And that seal they created? It's held watertight for 2 millennia. Just let that sink in.
It's absolutely wild. When these ancient pipes are dug up today, so many are still perfectly functional.
You know, their system looks a lot like ours. Their castellum aquae, basically our modern water towers. So their mastery of joining metal under pressure, yep, that's the basis for the plumbing we use today.
Of course, this brilliant idea had a toxic secret. It really makes you wonder, what trade-offs are we making now?
Like this deep dive? Subscribe to Ancient Archive Blueprints to see more.